Happy morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class for 4th standard ICSE. Today we are going to continue the 6th unit, fraction. Let us go to the exercise now. Exercise 6.5 in book, page number 100. The first one is to circle the smallest fraction in each group. So first thing is when we want to compare the number, look at the numerator or denominator which will be equal. So here we have a first sum 2 by 7, 4 by 7, 1 by 7. All the denominators are equal. Then compare the numerator. In numerator 2, 4, 1. 1 is the smallest number, so you can put a circle for that. Second one 6 by 12, 9 by 12, 11 by 12. In that also we can compare the numerators alone because all the denominators are in 12. So 6 by 12 is the smallest number. You can put a circle. Remaining things you can complete. B section is marks the following fraction in the number line. They given a number line here 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 5 by 6 and 1 by 6. First one is 0 to 1. We can split it into 6 parts. First one is 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6. Whatever number is given here, you can put a mark like this and mention that one. The second and third one is a similar one. Book page number 101 we have a C Roman letter, that is compare the fraction. When we want to compare the fraction, look at the denominators. If both are equal, compare the numerator. 3 by 4 and 2 by 4. 3 by 4 is the biggest number, so you can put the opening mouth towards the biggest one. 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. In that 3 by 2 is the biggest one, you can put the opening mouth towards the 3 by 2. Similarly you can complete. Next one is a D. One is write the following fraction in a descending order they given in your book. I strike it out and did with the ascending order. Okay children, if you want you can do it by descending or ascending orders. First one is 7 by 8, 3 by 8, 8 by 8 and 1 by 8, which is the smallest one, 1 by 8. Next one is 3 by 8, 7 by 8 and 8 by 8. I did in the ascending order. Okay, coming to the next page number 102. We have a checkpoint. Compare the fraction. First thing is we have to compare the denominators. If it is both are equal only, we can compare. Here we have a numerators are equal. In first sum 4 by 7, 4 by 5. Numerators are equal means you can compare the denominators. In denominator, which is the smallest one, that will be the biggest one. In a opposite manner we have to think over that. Okay, so 4 by 7 and 4 by 5. Here we have 4 by 5 is the biggest one, and fourth sum is 7 by 8 and 3 by 4. No numbers are equal in denominators and the numerator. In this case we have to do the cross multiplication. We will do it in the class work and I will explain that. 4 by 7 and 4 by 5. You can do the cross multiplication as shown here. 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20, 7 into 4, 7 4s are 28. Which one is the biggest one? 4 by 28 is bigger one than 20, so 4 by 5 is a bigger one. Coming to the 3 by 8 and 3 by 4, cross multiplication, 3 4s are 12 and 8 3s are 24. Here we have 24 is the biggest number, so 3 by 8 is smaller than 3 by 4. Next one is write in a descending order in the same exercise itself. 3 by 8, 3 by 5, 3 by 2, 3 by 6. And then all the numerators are equal mean we can compare the denominators. In denominators, which is the biggest one, that will be the smallest one. So descending order means big to small. So here we have a biggest number is 2. As I said, denominators, the smallest one is the biggest one. So 3 by 2, 3 by 5, 3 by 6, 3 by 8 is the descending order. Next exercise 6.6 in page number 105. First Roman letter is change into fraction to the improper. They given improper, we need to change it into mixed. 9 by 4, first sum. You can do the division of a 9 by 4 table. 2 4s are 8, remaining 1. Then we can write the quotient as a whole number. The old denominator should be the denominator always, no need to change, and the remaining number will be in the numerator. So 9 by 4 equal to 2 1 by 4. Next one is a 5 by 2. Again 5 we can divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. Quotient is 2. 2 is the whole number. Remaining 1. 1 by 2 is the fraction. So 2 1 by 2. Next one is change into improper fraction. They given mixed one, we have to change into improper fraction. As shown here, we have to multiply the denominator with the whole number and add the numerator. 1 4s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 4 is the improper fraction. Next one is 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 2 5. 5 by 3 is the answer. Next topic, we can write it in the book itself, Roman letter C and D. Write the whole numbers as a fraction. So whole number whatever is there, we can the denominator 1 to make it into fraction. So 2 is equal to 2 by 1, 9 equal to 9 by 1, 3 is equal to 3 by 1. And D column is write the value for that. 4 by 2, we can cancel the number 2 and the 4 in the 2 table, 2 2s are 4. And next 12 by 3, 12 and 3 we can cancel, that is division. We can do the division and write the answer for the 12 by 3 equal to 3 in 4 times will be coming. So 4 3s are 12. 4 is the answer. So fraction we can make it into whole number, and the whole number may be converted into fraction. That's it children. Today's class is over. We'll see next topic in the next class. Thank you.